Time to do the freeze plug, remove this header and the motor mount, jack it up, get out the rotten plug. Get rid of this unnecessary loop of hose to, I'm guessing, a leaking heater core. Shorten the loop up for that one too, because it's way too long. Tons of room for activities now. And motor mount out, header out, fuel pump off, because the motor mount bolt jacked up under the starter, because that was easiest. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Pop it out, go get a new one. New one's in. Went with the steel one because I'm not waiting for a brass one to show up. Kind of a pain in the ass to put in, but it's in. Short little warm up because it ran out of gas. Dry floor, oh, except for that, ignore that. That was spilled from earlier. And it's like I was saying, nice and dry underneath it. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. Now that it had a heat cycle, let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow after work, hopefully it's still dry, top off the training fluid and take it for a spin.